Today is the 15th December of 2021 and we are at NSE website. If we are checking Nifty, Nifty 50, next, Nifty mid-cap, all are in minus, all are in negative. So if we suppose check Nifty Pharma, Sun Pharma is a top gainer today, Kotak Bank second number. So we are going to check all of them. So this is we get result. Out of 50 there is 16 stocks which are as positive and 34 are declines. So and top gainer of the Nifty is Sun Pharma, which is a 2% up, and top loser is a Bajaj Finance, which is a 3% minus, which is around 217. So top gainer and top loser of the Nifty today is Sun Pharma and Bajaj Finance. So Pharma index is positive. So now we can go on check Nifty and Bank Nifty support and resistance. So this is the Nifty December future and Bank Nifty December future. So we will start with the Nifty future. We are going on 15-minute chart. In 15-minute chart we see that Nifty in morning open with the red candle and it goes down and takes support at around 17,220 and again it up. In final closings it is going to down. Again it also it takes support at 17,230. Maybe it can support and go back. Otherwise its next support is same 17,219, 17,200. The most important support for the Nifty. And if we are going on Bank Nifty is also on day's low. It is also going cross day lows value. It is around 36,900. So we are checking a 15-minute chart. Yes. In 15-minute charts, is trying to cross this 30,900, which is a very important support for the Bank Nifty future today. If it is crossed, then it can go down and down. The next support is 3,670. Yeah, so hope so today it takes support and 36,912, which is around here. If we indicator use like a Bollinger Band in 15-minute chart, it shows down. If we choose RSI in 15-minute chart, it shows up at 40 supports. If it takes support at 40, it can go bounce back. If it is cross 40, it can come up to 30. So this portion 36,900 is very important support for the Bank Nifty. Hope so it's hold. If it is not hold, it can go down, and the down level is 36,800, 36,700 and 36,600 also possible. Closing time is very near, it's around 12:50. So 10 minutes is remaining only to close the market. If I am going on 5-minute candle, then we can see that all candles are red. Now its last candle is taking supports. So hope so Bank Nifty is taking support here. In 5-minute candle we can see that Bank Nifty is taking support at 40, 30. So it's over. If we see our data on Bank Nifty and Nifty, you can check that data for Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can go Nifty derivative. Yes, this is the Nifty derivative data. We can go directly on the option chain. In an option chain, we can see that $17,200 is a 90,000 put writer at 17,200. So maximum support at Nifty is 17,200 because maximum put writer are there 19,543. But maximum resistance is now 17,300, which is 1,29,701 call letter. So next for this expiry 17,300 is very important resistance and 17,200 is very important support, because addition at 17,300 is very high, around 76,000 call writer addition today, but put writer addition at 17,200 is only 27,000. So put writer addition is very low in comparison to call writing. Like that, if we see a Bank Nifty derivative data, option chain, 16 December expiry, 37,000, 1 lakh, 11,000, and total today's edition is 37,000, and maximum support level is 36,500, which is around 77,000, and total addition at put writer is 15,000. So call writer addition is more as compared to put writer addition. That was various position can form. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty are bearish. Further, we are going on home page of NSE, and we can see that Sun Pharma next level, too long, Sun Pharma, see today's Sun Pharma is around 749. So it has started to move like this. 15-minute chart, it is very bullish. First we will go on daily chart. Daily chart is showing two resistance here. If it is cross again, it can go further, in which is around 787. Means 10 point and 15 point is easy. If we use indicator like RSI, on daily chart we can see that it is trying to cross 50 and taking support at 40 today. So also data is bullish and it can go further to 800. And the stock which is bearish today is a Bajaj Finance. We check the Bajaj Finance chart. You can see Bajaj Finance is 3 days, first, second and third. Third days it's making a regular red candle. So RSI is crossing 40. Now it is below 40. So next support is very important support, which is 6,700, around 700. It should take as support. Otherwise it will go more down and down, like 6,300. It hopes so it takes support at 6,700. This is very important support for the Bajaj Finance. It is falling regularly from 3 days. 3 candle red candle. So this is the next support for Bajaj Finance. Hope so it takes support here and come back again. And thank you so much.